We're going to be talking about an app called Envision AI, available on the App Store and the Google Play Store. And then the Envision Glasses. Yes, they're out, and you can order yours today. Go to let'senvision.com. Check them out. But if you want to get hands-on, you can check them out at the upcoming CSUN conference. That's where Karthik and Team Envision will be demonstrating and showing off the new Envision glasses. The Envision AI. What does it do? Well, I should say, what doesn't it do? It does a lot. OCR, optical character recognition, scans text instantly. It's quick, it's fast, and it does what it says it does. It also has scene detection, color detection, read barcodes, QR codes, and will translate text from 60 different languages. This app, Envision AI, will also detect handwriting. It'll work offline, work online. Learn faces, identify people, identify objects, find your coffee cup. Yeah, it's a subscription application. You get a 14-day trial, so give it a shot, give it a try, download it today. And you may say, why pay for an app? Well, this is what they do, working with and for the blind and visually impaired. Updates all the time, helping not only me, but the blind and visually impaired live more independent lives. Quite an initiative. It's well worth it. I like to support them. So do a 14-day free trial. No obligations, cancel anytime, and you decide. And let us know what you think. Give us a call at 612-367-6093. Love to hear from you. Envision the way you want to. So without further ado, here's Karthik Kannan from Envision. Hope you enjoy. Welcome to Blind Abilities. I'm Jeff Thompson. Today in this studio, we have Karthik Kannan, and he is the co-founder of Envision AI, the app that we all come to love, and the Envision Glasses. Karthik, how are you doing?
I'm good, Jeff. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. It's really exciting that you're finally going back to CSUN and get some hands-on onto the products that you've been developing.
Oh, for sure. So this has been like the most exciting thing for me. I've been looking forward to it for almost 2 years now, because last year CSUN was virtual, but we wanted to really come back to CSUN this year, and we've got a whole team with us. We've got 5 people from Envision who are going to be there at CSUN this year, and we're really excited because a lot of people, when they saw us last in person in 2020, the Envision glasses was still very new. It was still, I would say it was a beta, what people saw at CSUN in 2020. And over the last couple of years, we've been working really hard. We've got distributors of the glasses across the US, in fact, across the world. We've really worked hard on the product, and it's in the hands of hundreds of people today. Everyone's been really loving it. So coming back to CSUN, where it all began for us, is a big moment. We've got some really exciting features to go ahead and announce at CSUN. We really want people who are coming there at CSUN to come and visit us at our booth. So we're at booth 1011, so 1011. We're going to be there from the 16th of March all the way till the 18th of March, on the last day of CSUN. And we also have a community meetup we're organizing on the 17th of March. And we'd love to have Envisioners and other people who are interested in Envision's tech to come over and meet us, community meetup as well.
Well, I got your newsletter telling us all about this stuff, and I'll put that in the show notes so they'll have the links there that they can click on to even schedule a demo.
Yes, and that's what we're really excited about, is people who are there at CSUN, they can go ahead and book a demo session with us where we can walk you through all the stuff that's been happening with the Envision glasses, and also go ahead and give you a live demonstration of it, give you a chance to try it out for yourself. So in the show notes, you can go ahead and click on the link to register for a demo, and someone from our team, could be me, could be anybody else who's there at CSUN, would be there to demonstrate the glasses to you. Oh, and one more thing, it's a bit special for me. I'll be giving a talk at CSUN. I submitted a couple of proposals, and one of the talks that got accepted. The talk is going to be about towards building a visual assistant. One of the things that we've always wanted to do at Envision was to make the Envision glasses or the Envision app a visual assistant of sorts, like how you have Siri. And we're sort of working towards that. And the talk will be focused on the current research that Envision's been doing in that field, and also all the exciting things that are going to be coming up in the next few years. So if you're someone who's really interested into artificial intelligence, accessibility technology, and you really are curious about where artificial intelligence is heading, I think you should definitely come in on the talk. It's happening on the 17th of March between 8:30 to 9:30 a.m.
Well, that's great news. It would really be fun to be out there at CSUN. I got other obligations that I got going. So anybody that has a chance, go check them out. It's been a while. It's been a while for anybody to get out. You just were down in Florida at that convention.
Yeah, so we were recently there at ATIA in Florida. That was in January. Yeah, there were quite a few people who attended the event. It wasn't something that was open to everyday folks. It was more for like businesses and distributors who work in the space. But we still had quite a few people come to the booth. And we hope people who are attending CSUN who are really curious about the Envision Glasses and all the cool stuff that we have been working on the last couple of years definitely should come to our booth. Once again, we're at booth 1011, all the information down in the show notes. And we would love to go ahead and meet you guys and show you what we've been working on. I think since the last time we met, we went ahead and debuted the glasses at CSUN. This was in 2020 in person. We've added video calling to the glasses where you can make video calls directly from the glasses to a friend or a family member. We've also gone ahead and built a lot of smart reading features into the glasses itself. So there's a lot of things that we've worked on, a lot of things that we've improved, and we'd love to show you that. So please do join us and check us out.
Your app, Envision AI. You can get it on the App Store. You can get it in Google Play. I decided we're going to do this interview. I just wanted to pull it up again and just verify, see if there was anything new. And sure enough, I don't know if this is new, but it seems faster. You tell me. I took a pile of mail. I opened up Envision AI and I put it on Instant Text. And I was going through my mail like every 3 seconds. Nope, yep, nope. I didn't have to, I was aiming. I didn't even know if the mail was upside down, left or right, whatever it was. But I was just able to read, flip it over to one pile or flip it to another pile. And I went through 5-6 letters of mail in about 15-20 seconds.
Yes, and that is right. We have worked a lot on the speed of things overall. So we've worked on making it a lot faster. But I think we've also worked on making it a lot smarter. I mean, if anyone's out there, we just put out a beta today for the Envision AI app on Android and iOS. We're going to be launching this feature soon in public as well. And what the new feature is basically focused on helping people identify headlines. So if you have a document and you have headings in the document, Envision is going to be able to identify that. We're also working on recognizing tables. So if you're someone who uses the Envision AI app to go ahead and read your bank statement, for example, or if you're going to read a table, and we've worked a lot on those kind of smart features as well. So we have focused a lot on reading, but at the same time, we have made massive improvements to being able to detect objects in your surrounding. And we have a lot of things planned this year. We've been working a lot on these features under the hood quietly all through the pandemic. And now that things are opening up, we're going to be launching one big thing after another. So this is the most exciting year for Envision.
I'm really excited about the headlines because that's the way people read. Sighted people read. They glance at the headlines and figure out what they want to read. So if I have a document, I could just do that and it could give me the list of the headline. That's genius, Karthik. That's genius.
Thank you. The team at Envision has been working super hard on things like this. And this is just the tip of the iceberg, to be honest. We have a lot of things coming your way. This and more. I think a lot of people have been asking us about partnerships on the Envision glasses. A lot of them have been asking about being able to find more types of objects with the Envision glasses. So we've been working quietly on all that for the past year. Yeah, I hope to be back very soon with some key figures in the industry talking about some of the recent developments and hopefully in the coming year.
Oh, that's great. So people tune in to Blind Abilities to get this news, but if you don't get a chance there, they can always catch up on let'senvision.com.
Yes. We're definitely going to bring all the exclusive stuff to Blind Abilities. Thanks so much, Jeff, for all the support that you and your listeners have given us over the years. It's been really heartwarming. And yeah, we hope to live up to your standards.
Well, you keep on developing. There's always something new in the app. And now to think that someone could have that right on their glasses too. It's exciting. I'm glad to hear you're headed to CSUN again. It's been a couple years, but you're going to be there. And there's a lot of big news going to be breaking this year. So congratulations to you and the Envision team.
Thank you so much. And yeah, to all your listeners, if you're visiting CSUN, please do check us out. We'd be more than happy to talk to you about all the stuff that we've been working on.
Let'senvision.com.
When we share
what we see through each other's eyes, we can then begin to bridge the gap between
the limited expectations and the realities of blind abilities.
The realities of blind
abilities.
For more podcasts with a blindness perspective, check us out on the web at www.blindabilities.com, on Twitter at blindabilities. Download our app from the App Store, Blind Abilities, that's 2 words, or send us an email at info@blindabilities.com. Thanks for listening.